At Shentel, we want to provide you with all the advanced internet, home phone, and TV services you need. To be able to provide more services and support while keeping you and our employees healthy and safe, we are adjusting our current limited contact installation process. We will continue to attempt self-installation whenever possible, but we have resumed the installation of TiVo and wall-to-wall Wi-Fi, as well as installation to multiple locations in some cases. Here's what to expect. On the day of your appointment, your technician will call you before they arrive to prepare your equipment in advance. When your technician arrives, they will not enter your home. Instead, they will first take care of anything that needs to be done outside your home. Next, the technician will leave your equipment at your door and provide you with instructions for completing the installation. At this point, the technician will call you from outside and attempt to talk you through the rest of the installation, step by step. After that, you can begin enjoying your new services. If you are having complex services installed which require the technician to enter your home, the technician will first ask you a few questions to confirm that it is safe to enter. Technicians have been asked to wear protective gear such as gloves and masks and are limited to 1 hour inside your home. To keep you safe, every technician is also asked to take their temperature each morning before they come to work. We will be able to help install service at multiple locations inside your home if the wiring already exists at those locations. If there are still services that we are unable to install, we will contact you when it is safe to reschedule. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us by visiting shentel.com or by calling 1-800-SHENTEL. And we thank you for your understanding. Shentel, always connected to you.